Geography lesson chapter 17. Find words from the poem that means the same as these expressions. Number 1, really wanted. Really wanted means longed. Okay, or you can say longed means really wanted.
Really
Clinging.
wanted.
Clinging. Clinging
To stuck
means
into.
yes, to stick into onto. Sweet scented.
Hmm.
Sweet scented means nice smelling.
Nice
ठीक है
meaning.
हाँ जिसकी स्मेल बहुत अच्छी होती है. Faded away. Faded away means slowly disappeared. Drab. Drab means dull or uninteresting. Mind's eye. Mind's eye means in his imagination. Okay. He was thinking in his imagination, na? Okay, so question number 1.
Right.
Answer these questions with the reference to the context. Okay, so first context is and sail across a warm blue sea to place he had only known from map. Who is he? He refers to the teacher.
Teacher.
Why has the word only been used in the second line? The word only emphasizes that the teacher had never visited these places in real life and had only seen them on map. Okay? What kind of a place does he live in? He lives in a narrow and a grey house, which signifies a dull and uninteresting life. D. What kind of place would he like to go to? He would like to go to warm, lively, and colorful places that are never drab or cold. Okay? So, second context is the house he lived in was narrow and grey, but in his mind's eye, he could see. Okay, so question is who lived in a narrow and grey house? The teacher lived in a narrow and grey house. What does narrow and grey signify? It signifies a dull, restricted, and uninspiring life. Number C. What could he see in his mind's eye? He could see sweet, scented jasmine and green leaves burning on an orange tree, which symbolize his dream of a brighter, livelier world because he was living in a gray and boring he was living gray and boring life, okay? But he wanted to go across the sea or he wanted to see that. How long he lived in this house? Okay. It is implied that he had lived that for a long time, possibly his entire life. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Question number 3. Okay. Context number 3. I couldn't understand why he never left and shook off the school's stranglehold. Okay. So, question number 1 is what did he do at the school? What did he do at the school? He was a teacher at the school. Okay. Question number B. Who does I refer to? Here, I refers to the poet or the speaker in the poem who was a student of the teacher. Question number C. What does the word stranglehold suggest about the school? Answer is it suggests that the school was restrictive and limiting, preventing the teachers from exploring the world beyond. Okay, that's why he wanted to go, but he couldn't. D. How could he have shaken off the stranglehold? He could have left the school. That's, oh my God, that's why he left the school and followed his dream of traveling to the places he longed to see. Now, question answers. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is what did the teacher wanted to do? The teacher wanted to travel to warm, beautiful places that he had only seen on maps. How did the teacher see the sweet scented jasmine? He saw it in his imagination as he dreamed of a better and more beautiful world. Question number 3. What kind of a house did the teacher live in? He lived in a narrow and a grey house, which symbolized a dull and monotonous life. Question number 4. What happened to the teacher halfway through the final term? He fell ill and never returned to the school. Question number 5. Why did the teacher's name fade away? The teacher's name was forgotten over time, just like the maps are redrawn in the classroom. Okay, question number 6. Where does the speaker travel to? The speaker travel to the places that his teacher had always longed to visit but never could. Question number 7. Why does the speaker remember the teacher? The speaker remembers the teacher because even though his name faded away, but the lesson he taught remained with him. Yes, this is the job of a teacher. That's why he is a teacher. Okay. Question number 8. Explain. Green leaves burning on an orange tree. So, green leaves burning on an orange tree. This phrase symbolizes vibrant and lively places full of color and energy, places the teacher dreamed of but never visited.
Great.